rotisserie chicken enchilada bake. Enchilada bake with rotisserie chicken from Costco. I mean, it's got a lot of peppers on it though. You're tossing the oven. See how she comes out. Be right back. Alright. Ow. Now the oven. Ooh. 15 minutes-ish. Not too bad. Oh, greasy. You can definitely smell the spice. We'll go for the side with the peppers on it. Just steal the end here. I'm already sweating just smelling this. No. Corn rice in there. I know where you get this from. It is a hot mess. Hang on, let me clean this up so the dog don't eat it. Alright. Don't need a dog having this spice. I can't imagine that go down well. Yeah, I know, Lucy. I mean, that is like all chicken inside. That's at least nice. It's like all peppers on top. Jeez. It's still hot. Yeah, that's spicy. I don't know where your tolerance is, but definitely inedible for some. I mean, temperature it's still hot, but spice level, that is wow. Yeah, I haven't got nothing to compare it to other than hot. I'm a fan of Taco Bell mild sauce for the flavor. I don't like going hotter. Other ones just don't taste good. Heat ain't worth it. Look at that. And it's like all chicken inside. There's some corn mixed in. Thought there were some beans in there. Yeah, no bean. Rice. Looks like 60–70% chicken though. It's nice. I can see doing more rice on the side with it though. But definitely an easy weeknight dinner or something if you want. Ooh. Corn, other layer tortilla, bean, chicken, obviously. At least chickeny piece. Wow. It's spicy though. I don't know where your level's at. Again, I'm gonna repeat myself a dozen times. say it's worth a shot if you like enchiladas at all. Grab some sour cream. Do $1. Do $1. Oh, yeah, that needs to be edited out. Ugh. Okay, we're back with some sour cream. Definitely cools it down nice. Yeah. Definitely if you got an issue with the heat, the sour cream definitely helps. It's good though. The deciding factor will be your spice level. Tolerance, that is. Say though, too spicy, throw it in the fridge. Try to bite cold. Cools that down too. No, Lucy, you can't have any. It's all peppers. No. Don't got no number or star rating. Pass fail though. I give it a pass. Let me know what you think. See you next time.